2, 1, go!
We are back down here in the lower bracket, match number 12. Alliance 4 in red and Alliance 5 in blue. We've seen this matchup already back in match number 2 of our upper bracket. Field continue to go in for your blue Alliance. Red Alliance robots colliding at center stage. Bronco bots to be the only red robot to survive the trip back to their side of the field as drivers take control. 155 to the Red Alliance, 103. Blue Alliance does win the autonomous period. Their hub goes offline right now after that volley during the transition period. 189 points is where they will stay, and your Red Alliance quickly surpassing that during their first seconds there of the shift. Over 200 points for your Red Alliance as Bronco bots continue to drive and shoot on the move. Deposit going up from in from the 870 team of Rice, and right behind them, Hemlock's Gray Matter providing last second fuel. Blue Alliance now on the charge. Fuel flies up and into their hub. Over 280 points with a minute and a half left in play. Fuel stockpiles up on the Red Alliance side as Blue surpasses the Red Alliance's 287, going over 350 points and counting. Last shots going up and in from Pantheon as Gray Matter continues to hold down the Binary Battalion of the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance's hub is active. Nobody's shooting up high right now. All that fuel stockpiled was poached by SS Prometheus. And now fuel continuing to fly down on the red side. Getting back in the game, regaining the lead over 430 points. And here comes your Blue Alliance coming right back. 380, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430. It keeps going up for your Blue Alliance. Hemlock's Gray Matter, stack light, pulsating. Robot appears to be down right now, might be trying to come back online. This leaves your Blue Alliance all the breathing room to score up high. Intake a little racked there for SS Prometheus, 2992. As the Red Alliance's hub goes back on the offensive mode. Bronco bots up and in, friendly fire between them and Rice. More shots going up and in. Red Alliance takes the lead, but the Blue Alliance pulls it right back. 15 seconds left to go. Pantheon coming back for your Blue Alliance with a full hopper field going up and in. 3 wide. Bronco bots trying to go up and in. Prometheus holding back Rice. Blue Alliance starting to pull ahead. Red with the last volley. Going up. Blue pulls ahead. And the scores are in. And it is the Blue Alliance who stays alive. 624 to 573. Your number 5 seed will face off.